Hello, this is Brett from SurvivalComms, and today on the bench we have a Firecom headset, and it's got a bad electric condenser microphone element. And I'm going to show you today how to test out one of these things. Now, these particular elements are encapsulated in this little clamshell right here. So first of all, we need to go ahead and remove these two screws. Once we remove the screws, you just go ahead and pull the clamshell aside, and you can see it's exposed our microphone element. And you can see that here. Condenser mics require a bias voltage, and in order to ascertain which side is ground, you just go ahead and the ground should have continuity with the body of the microphone. Let's go ahead and remove our mic element from our circuit. By lifting our leads. While we're at it, we're going to re-tin our wires here to make them nice and clean. After removing your element, simply take a resistor, put some of the lead on the ground, and then take your 22K resistor and place it on your positive side of your Electret condenser element. Now go ahead and take a couple of test leads and hook up your DC bias to your microphone element. I'm just using a 18650 battery, and I've connected it as such. Now connect your oscilloscope leads as such. Now our element, when you blew across it, had a lot of reaction. Now, when you talk across it, you don't see a whole heck of a lot of reaction, and that's not good. So let's whistle across it, and you should see a sine wave. Yeah, I'm not seeing a lot of activity here. So to get a mic element, I've just cannibalized one out of a speaker microphone, and you can see that I've got it set up with our little testing apparatus on it here with the resistor and our ground lead here, and let's see how it responds. Now you can see this element is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Test 1 2. If you don't have access to an oscilloscope, an AC millivoltmeter will also perform the same function. So let's review what we've accomplished here. We've taken a headset that had complaints of poor transmitted audio, and we suspected the microphone element was bad. We took the microphone element and removed it and built ourselves a test jig with a 22K resistor, used an 18650 battery, connected our oscilloscope to it, tested the element, determined that it was not providing enough audio. And we took a old speaker microphone, removed the microphone element from it, took the same test jig, assembled it on the microphone element that we cannibalized, tested our audio, found it to be satisfactory, installed it in our headset, and now our headset is ready to go back. I hope this helps. This is Brett from SurvivalComms. Till next time.